Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best dirt bike helmet of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Approved Vintage Motorcycle Helmet. The Approved Vintage Motorcycle Helmet is a product designed to cater to the needs and preferences of motorcycle enthusiasts who appreciate the classic aesthetics of vintage motorcycles while prioritizing safety on the road. This helmet is specifically crafted to combine the timeless style of vintage motorcycle helmets with modern safety standards, as indicated by its DOT-approved certification. In the context of motorcycle safety, the term DOT-approved signifies that the helmet has met the safety standards set by the U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT. These standards include rigorous testing and evaluations to ensure that the helmet provides adequate protection for riders in the event of a crash or collision. Thus, when riders choose a DOT-approved vintage motorcycle helmet, they can have confidence in its ability to safeguard their head and reduce the risk of head injuries while riding. What sets this helmet apart from other motorcycle helmets is its vintage design. It pays homage to the classic motor graphics and a retro color scheme. This combination of safety and style appeals to riders who want to capture the spirit of vintage motorcycling while adhering to contemporary. Product 2. DOT-approved men's motorcycle helmet. The DOT-approved men's motorcycle helmet is a critical piece of protective gear for motorcycle riders, designed to meet safety standards and provide style and comfort for adult men and women. This retro full-face helmet is crafted with a focus on safety, aesthetics, and versatility. Here's an overview of its key features. DOT-approved. One of the standout features of this helmet is its compliance with the Department of Transportation, DOT, safety standards. This certification ensures that the helmet meets the necessary safety requirements, making it a reliable choice for riders concerned about their well-being on the road. Full face protection. The helmet offers full face protection, covering the entire head and face. This design provides riders with maximum protection in case of accidents or collisions, reducing the risk of head and facial injuries. Adult men and women. This helmet is suitable for both adult men and women, offering a wide range of sizes to accommodate their essential for riders to find a helmet that fits snugly to ensure maximum safety and comfort. 4 seasons use. The helmet is designed to be versatile and suitable for use in all 4 seasons. It is equipped to handle different weather conditions, making it a practical choice for riders who commute year-round. ABS shell. The helmet features an ABS acrylonitrile butadiene styrene shell, known for its durability and impact resistance. This material provides an additional layer of protection in case of accidents. Built-in lens. The helmet comes with a built-in lens or visor, which can offer protection against wind, debris, and UV rays while enhancing visibility. It eliminates the need for riders to wear additional eyewear, providing added convenience. Motocross and moped compatible. Whether you're into motocross racing or ride a moped for daily commuting, this helmet is designed to cater to a range of motorcycling activities, making it a versatile choice. Product 3. Product name. Racing motorcycle helmet. A racing motorcycle helmet is a crucial piece of protective gear, designed to provide safety and performance benefits for riders engaged in various forms of motorcycle racing, such as motorbike cross, enduro, cafe racer, downhill bicycle racing, and ATV racing. These helmets are engineered to meet the specific needs and demands of high-speed, off-road, and competitive riding environments. Here is an overview of racing motorcycle helmets in the context of the mentioned activities. Safety first. The primary purpose of a racing motorcycle helmet is to protect the rider's head and face in case of accidents or falls. These helmets are constructed with advanced materials and technology to offer superior impact protection. They are often subjected to rigorous safety standards and testing to ensure they can withstand high-velocity impacts. Design for speed. Racing helmets are typically designed with aerodynamics in mind. Their sleek and streamlined shapes reduce wind resistance, allowing riders to cut in. Racing can be physically demanding, and riders often need to deal with high temperatures and intense physical exertion. Racing helmets are equipped with strategically placed vents and airflow systems to help keep riders cool and comfortable during races. Visor and face shield. The visor or face shield on a racing motorcycle helmet serves multiple purposes. It protects the rider's eyes from debris, insects, and wind, while also providing an aerodynamic shape. Some visors are designed to resist fogging, and offer tear-off functionality for quick removal and replacement during a race. Communication systems. In some racing disciplines, communication between riders and their teams is crucial. Racing motorcycle helmets may include built-in communication systems that allow for clear and instantaneous communication, enhancing safety and strategy during races. Specialized variants. Different racing disciplines have unique requirements. For example, motorbikes to shield against varying light conditions in off-road terrains. Customization and aesthetics. Many racing helmets offer customizable options for riders to express their individual style and preferences. These options can include various color schemes, graphics, and sponsor logos. Certifications. Racing motorcycle helmets must meet specific safety standards established by regulatory bodies like the DOT, Department of Transportation, or EASE, Economic Commission for Europe. Product name Blacklion Personalized Motorcycle Full Face Helmet. The Blacklion Personalized Motorcycle Full Face Helmet is a top-tier protective gear designed to cater to the needs of both men and women motorcycle enthusiasts, whether they are professional racers or off-road adventurers. This helmet is characterized by its high-quality construction and customizable features, making it a standout choice in the world of motocross racing and riding. One of the key features of the Blacklion Personalized Motorcycle Full Face Helmet is its full face design, providing comprehensive coverage and protection for the rider's head and face. This design is particularly crucial for individuals engaged in motocross racing and off-road riding, where they are exposed to various elements and potential hazards. Quality is paramount when it comes to motorcycle helmets, and Blacklion doesn't compromise on this front. The helmet is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring it meets stringent safety standards, while also providing comfort for prolonged use. This comfort is essential for riders who spend extended periods on their motorcycles. One of the standout features of the Blacklion helmet is its personalization options. This feature allows riders to customize their helmets to match their style, preferences, or team colors. Personalization not only adds a unique touch to the helmet, but also fosters a sense of identity and pride for riders. In addition to its protective qualities, the Blacklion Personalized Motorcycle Full Face Helmet is also suitable for professional motocross racing. The design and construction of the helmet are geared towards optimizing aerodynamics and minimizing wind resistance, allowing racers to achieve their best performance on the track. Product name Motorbike Helmet. Motorbike helmets are an essential safety gear component for both men and women who engage in motorcycle riding. These helmets play a crucial role in protecting riders from head injuries and reducing the severity of accidents. In recent years, there has been an increasing emphasis on innovation and design in the motorcycle helmet industry, leading to the development of new and improved helmet models, including the modular double-visor flip-up helmets and full-face motocross capacites, which cater to a wide range of riding styles and preferences. One of the notable advancements in motorcycle helmets is the introduction of modular helmets, such as the modular double-visor flip-up helmets. These helmets offer riders the flexibility to switch between a full-face configuration for maximum protection and an open-face configuration for convenience and improved airflow. This adaptability makes them a popular choice among riders who value versatility and comfort. Full-face helmets, including those designed for motocross enthusiasts, motocross capacites, provide comprehensive protection by covering the entire head and face. They are particularly favored in high-speed riding scenarios and off-road adventures where debris and impact risks are prevalent. The Casco Moto is another variant designed to cater to the unique needs of riders, offering a mix of safety and style. Apart from their protective features, modern motorbike helmets also incorporate multiple visors, allowing riders to adapt to various lighting conditions. These double visor designs enhance visibility and reduce glare, making for a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. The development and variety of motorbike helmets emphasize the importance of choosing the right helmet to match one's riding style and preferences. Riders should consider factors such as safety certifications, helmet fit, ventilation, and the presence of additional features like Bluetooth connectivity or integrated sun visors when selecting a helmet. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.